Hey Scott, hey Donna. Just wanted to send you a quick Tuesday update. These are really quick, but just kind of gives you an eye on where the house is at. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm gonna wish you guys luck on getting another offer on your guys' home. I have a feeling like you guys will, so we'll leave it at that. But the drywall's up. You can see we're starting to tape here now. And so we'll be taping this week. Texturing will be the next thing. So you should see this thing textured up, hopefully by next Tuesday. And we're making great progress. That's beautiful out tonight. Here's your master retreat here. So that is about it, guys. If you have any questions, as always, I'm always around. And additionally, you'll be hearing from me in about 7 days' time, next Tuesday, with another construction update. Talk soon.